Most embroidery machines sold online are overpriced gimmicks that underperform for serious home businesses. Pick wrong and you're stuck with wasted cash and missed orders. Ever tried a machine that jams or breaks right when a deadline looms? This video will solve the puzzle and point you to reliable options. Today, I'm going to be going over the best embroidery machine for home business that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Smartstitch S-1001. This upgraded machine is purpose-built for home businesses and enthusiasts who crave dependable thread work and professional embroidery results without factory scale. Its compact size and lightweight make it ideal for small studios, garages, or dedicated craft corners where space is a premium. The chassis shows deliberate engineering with a sturdy frame, precise operating system, and redesigned controls that reduce fatigue during long embroidery sessions. The 7-inch touchscreen provides intuitive navigation, quick stitch adjustments, and accessible menus that shave minutes off setup for busy days. Standout features include auto thread trimming, auto color changing, a self-lubrication system, thread break detection, and laser embroidery positioning for precise placement. File compatibility covers DST and DSB formats via USB or Wi-Fi, enabling seamless transfer from computer to machine across multiple operating systems. Compared with the Brother PE900, this multi-needle Smartstitch model delivers 10 needles and a considerably larger embroidery area. The pros include compact size and lightweight, auto thread trimming, and auto color changing. The cons include higher price and a steeper learning curve for beginners seeking quick results. In real-world testing, stitch accuracy remained consistently high even on dense patterns, with color changes aligning cleanly across multicolor designs. During tests on denim and canvas, the machine with a spacious embroidery area performed smoothly under heavy workloads with stable operation. Smartstitch provides manuals and video trainings and offers online line support as well as local technicians to assist with setup. The starter pack includes threads, stabilizers, and bobbins, and the machine supports a broad range of fabrics beyond common cotton blends. With a price near $4,000, it represents premium value for dedicated embroidery shops ready to scale. At number 4, we have the PooLin EOC05. Designed for beginners and home crafters, this embroidery-focused machine promises approachable learning, compact operation, and satisfying results on everyday projects. With a 7-inch color touchscreen and a 4x9.25-inch embroidery area, this model feels welcoming for beginners. Construction combines a sturdy frame with lightweight plastics, creating a compact footprint that still supports stable operation during longer embroidery sessions. The control system runs Skitch OS2, delivering intuitive menus and a true beginner mode that minimizes confusion during first projects. Included free embroidery design software extends creative options for personal projects, letting learners edit motifs and preview stitches. Wi-Fi and USB transfer options enable seamless design migration from the Skitch platform, simplifying workflow across devices and keeping projects current. Unlike multipurpose sewing machines, the PooLin EOC05 is embroidery only, sharpening focus on motifs, lettering, and garment embellishments without sewing confusion. In real-world testing, stitch consistency remains steady and threading reliability proved beginner-friendly with quick fault recoveries. Additional field tests showed reliable operation and smooth speed transitions during routine designs, reinforcing confidence for home crafters. Compared to the Brother PE900, the PooLin EOC05 offers a gentler learning curve yet lacks sewing versatility. The pros include an easy learning curve, a large touchscreen, and free design software that opens up creative possibilities for beginners. The cons include a higher price and limited sewing versatility when compared to full-feature machines on the market today. With a 4.5 rating from hundreds of buyers and a price near $700, it offers solid value for beginners. For buyers prioritizing learning and home projects, this machine provides a supportive ecosystem, approachable features, and ongoing potential as skills grow. At number 3, we have the Brother PE900. From unboxing to setup, the Brother PE900 feels purpose-built for home embroidery enthusiasts seeking wireless workflow and large designs. With a sturdy yet compact chassis, the PE900 respects limited workspace while offering 7.4-inch needle-to-arm clearance. Designed for modern crafters, it supports wireless LAN transmission and Artspree app connectivity to browse patterns and transfer designs without cables. It ships with a generous library including 193 built-in embroidery designs and 13 fonts to customize lettering styles. The embroidery workstation presents a large 3.7-inch touchscreen that enables on-screen editing like resizing and repositioning designs. Advanced Color Sort minimizes color changes by reordering the stitching steps, while Jump Stitch Trimming automatically snips excess thread between color transitions. Equipped with 7.4-inch needle-to-arm clearance, the unit also features a responsive 3.7-inch touchscreen. Data transfer remains straightforward via design database transfer software or the built-in USB port, enabling smooth file moves from PC. The embroidery feel offers generous space and precise alignment for larger motifs, with a reliable balance of speed and stitch quality. Onboard editing handles resizing, rotation, and repositioning, while Color Sort reduces color changes by rearranging stitch order. Compared to the older Brother PE770, the PE900 provides a larger embroidery field and wireless transfer options. The pros include easy setup, robust wireless transfers, and a large embroidery field that accommodates larger designs with impressive precision. The cons include a higher price point and the lack of sewing functions, which limits the machine's versatility. In field testing, stitch quality remained consistent across fabrics and colors, with minimal fraying and reliable thread trimming. If you want a dedicated embroidery machine with wireless design transfer and a generous field, the Brother PE900 is worth considering. At number 2, we have the Brother Skitch. From first glance, the Skitch presents an inviting entry point for hobbyists and small home businesses seeking quick setup and reliable everyday embroidery. Its compact footprint hides a surprisingly sturdy frame that stabilizes stitch work and reduces movement during high-speed embroidery sessions. Although compact, the Skitch's operating area remains generous enough for 4x4-inch designs and frequent personalization. The machine supports ArtSphere compatibility and can import PES, PHC, PHX, and DST files while storing up to 20 designs within ArtSphere. Powering secure operation through Bluetooth pairing with the ArtSphere app, Skitch enables design transfer without USB cables and reduces setup friction. Despite modest dimensions, Skitch offers a surprisingly stable workstation that encourages experimentation without crowding your creative space. When running designs, the machine reaches up to 400 stitches per minute, providing brisk turnaround for small batches and quick prototyping. In a direct comparison with the Brother PE900, Skitch edges ahead on app-based workflow and wireless design transfer. The pros include easy setup, app integration, and compact footprint. The cons include embroidery-only device with no sewing capability and reliance on the ArtSphere app for workflow. Performance and testing results show stable stitch quality across repeated trials and consistent thread feeding when paired with ArtSphere threads. Beginners should dedicate time to explore the ArtSphere library and practice on scrap fabrics before attempting personalized projects on garments. Overall, the Skitch offers an accessible path to custom embroidery with app-driven design sharing and a compact workspace. For those seeking an approachable, app-fueled embroidery solution for home business experiments, Skitch makes onboarding feel almost effortless. At number 1, we have the Brother NQ1700E. This embroidery machine immediately signals professional-grade performance combined with approachable home business practicality, thanks to bundled software and a generous embroidery field. The large 6-inch by 10-inch embroidery field enables full-back designs on jackets and coats. The machine supports wireless connectivity, enabling seamless transfer of designs from BES Blue software to the machine for quick setup. Included BES Blue embroidery software provides on-screen typing, font categories, fills, underlay, and 800-plus designs, dramatically expanding creative options. Additionally, the bundle includes a magnetic sash frame SAMF 180, providing a 5x7-inch hoop with secure, quick hooping. Mr. Vac and Mrs. So's Embroidery Magic Quick Start Guide adds practical education covering applique and freestanding lace with clear workflows. The extra-large 6x10-inch embroidery field supports jackets and backpacks, enabling larger designs without splitting into multiple passes. Compared to a typical entry-level embroidery machine, the Brother NQ1700E offers broader features and wireless transfer. The pros include robust build quality, generous embroidery field, and bundled BES Blue software. The cons include a high price and a learning curve for mastering BES Blue tools. Wireless capability accompanies a library of 258 built-in designs, expanding the design library without needing external transfers. Performance in real-world tests shows smooth stitching, fast turn times, and reliable automatic thread trimming that eliminates jump stitches. Editing designs on the large touchscreen significantly reduces setup time by enabling on-screen positioning, rotation, and mirroring before you sew. Final verdict places the Brother NQ1700E as a premier home embroidery option for serious hobbyists.